Explain what we're going to do.
So guys, that's the end of our video.
That one is.
Kung ang enjoy kayo then, okay, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, you can start. Hey, Buhay, how come you are fighting the hand? Buhay.
Honey, not the one. That one is for the one for ending. Okay.
You start the question now. Faster,
Okay,
faster.
wait.
Explain what we're going to do.
Wait.
Buhay.
Wait, please wait. Relax. Hello, guys. Welcome to our channel.
Faster, faster.
So today
We don't want to make fun already because we are not joining you already.
Come
we're
on,
gonna do
I
a
want to join
challenge. So
the
today we're gonna
camera.
do the challenge, the question and answer challenge. So we have how many questions?
47
47 questions.
You
No, because
So I have here me
Show your face in the
or
camera.
him, and what you have there, Han?
Me and her.
Okay. Can you sit down?
You sit down here.
Beside
Sit down
Papa.
here.
Yeah, I know. Just sit down
Sit
beside
down here.
Papa. Okay.
Sit down beside
I don't
Papa.
have anything.
So you know this challenge.
Later you two together
See-
with Papa.
So you know this challenge, Han?
See, Chan, your
Okay,
legs.
we explained already.
See, Chan, your
Okay,
legs.
so
That's the
Ah.
twist.
And my
I want
face
this.
also.
okay, quiet.
Quiet, quiet.
Okay.
Oi.
First
See,
question.
Chan.
What are you doing? No,
Oi.
you're going to sleep. No. Okay, go. What's the first question?
Takes longer shower.
Who takes longer shower?
Ha!
Me.
Yeah, next.
I'm sorry. Oh my god.
Who starts the hour?
Ha! Start. Next.
Who apologized first?
Oh, him.
Okay, next. Yeah.
Who takes more naps?
No! Him! No, him! You're handwriting. No, it's you. You're cheating. We haven't.
Next,
You already.
next.
Wait. We haven't. No,
Hi,
him.
Mama always see, right? Next.
Ball.
Go.
No, it's you. It's you, Ali.
Okay.
Who drive better?
Oh, him.
Me. Okay. Next. Hey, don't put. Later you're going to sleep.
Okay.
Who's more polite?
Him.
Me.
Who's the cleanest?
Ha! Okay, next.
You're cheating, honey. Not yet. I haven't given my answer. No,
Ha!
it's him. It's
Who
him.
eats the most?
Huh?
Who eats the most?
Him.
Ha!
You're cheating.
She eat a lot. Faster.
Wait. Him.
Faster.
Stop. Wait.
I don't eat a lot. You know, she's feeding baby. See her. Oi.
I haven't given my answer. He already put lipstick on my face.
Faster,
You're so
faster.
unfair.
Who tells the best jokes?
Him. Yeah, I'm so serious. I'm serious.
Let me answer.
Okay.
Who has trouble getting up in the morning?
Ha!
No.
Ha!
No, him.
Yeah,
Him.
because at night she need to feed baby. Morning very difficult to wake up.
No. Wait.
I always wake up to send baby to send the kids to school.
sweet food?
Sweet food.
Ah!
No, him. Johan. It's you. Don't lie. You're right.
Okay. Ah! This is Jen.
Who's the romantic one?
Ah!
Him. You always give gifts.
Really?
He loves to buy something. Yeah.
Teacher, where are you, teacher?
Who farts the most?
Ah! Yay!
Your lipstick always ready. Give me
Oi.
that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sit down. Can you please
Sit down,
behave?
sit down.
Sit down.
Who farts the loudest?
Ah!
Him.
Ah!
Single!
Sit down. Him. It's you, honey. He always fart every night before we sleep.
Teacher, next time you have Papa to draw face.
Who cooks the most?
Him.
Ah!
Him. He loves to cook.
Chef.
Honey, which one is the best? Okay.
Who drinks coffee
Sit
the
down.
most?
Wait, Ate.
Huh?
Wait.
Of course, it's me.
What?
Who drinks coffee the most?
Of course,
Oh,
it's me.
him.
Oh, who prepared the question one?
No, Papa the one more.
Who does most household chores? Household chores.
You are.
Me?
Both.
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 Okay.
Who would
Ah!
who would eat like something nasty?
Me. Enough! Honey! You already put 2. Enough!
Who is most
Never say
forgetful?
that. You put one.
Only one.
Huh? Is it? Never say.
Who is most forgetful?
Oh,
Him.
yeah, me.
Him. Stop lah. Okay.
Who is the laziest?
Lazy. Him.
Oh, me. No, both.
Who is more outgoing?
Him.
Me.
I always love just inside the house. You always want to go out.
Who prepared the question one?
You already
Who cooks the
watched.
most?
Who? Huh?
Who cooks the most?
Him.
Oops.
Who poops the most?
Who?
Poops. Who? No, you lah. Him every morning.
机会，机会，当机会。
You.
I told you both of you, right?
Who's better cook?
Him.
Is it?
Later you wash your face, huh?
Oh, which one? Better cook. That is some.
Who cleans up better?
Huh?
Cleans up.
Lin. Honey, welcome. That's enough. That's enough. Enough. Okay.
Who falls asleep first?
Me.
No, foot.
Okay. Where is my
Who
phone?
is moodier? Moodier.
Enough.
Who is pickier?
Huh?
Pickier.
Pickier. Him. Lalam.
You keep putting to your lipstick.
Who is better? Who is better resolving issues?
Him. Better resolving issues. You, honey.
Who sings the most?
This one.
This one. You're so unfair. Just one.
Hey, Mama.
Who is the grossest?
Huh?
Gross.
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 Gross. Gross. Him.
Is it? What?
Gross
What
like
does it
dirty.
Dirty, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
No,
very
nothing,
clean.
No, nothing.
Oh,
Okay.
This one no. focus.
Who is the night owl?
Night
Like
owl.
stay up late.
I know him.
What time? Always. See hey.
No, him. He always watch movie before he sleep.
Okay.
Oh, you Han, not me. Oh, in. Okay.
Who is the early riser?
Early is him. Early riser.
Who woke up very early?
Very early.
lah,
It's you lah. It's you lah.
Hey, you show them the camera.
Who has the shortest temper?
Hey, no need to.
Who's most likely to remember to turn off the lights?
Me.
Yeah, good. Good. Correct answer, correct.
Who's the most patient one?
Him.
Patient,
Patient.
yeah.
Oh, him.
To who? Baby ah.
No, patient lahat. Everything ma, general. Okay.
Who exercise the most?
Him.
Zero.
He loves to jog. Okay.
Who kissed you first? Like the first time you met, like that.
Him.
Who kissed first?
No, me.
Who said I love you first?
Who
Ah.
said?
I love you first. Who said I love you first?
Mom.
Who said I love you too?
Papa.
Him.
Papa. Me. No.
Wait lang.
No, that's you. You.
Big black.
No, it's you.
Don't block. You see this one?
Honey.
Who
this
snacks
one?
the most? Who snacks the most?
That's him.
Huh?
Snack.
Snack.
Snack like eat
Yeah.
snacks.
Yeah, him.
Not really.
Both.
No lah, this one.
See?
Who is more helpful?
Helpful.
Yes.
Him. He loves to help. Okay.
Who is funnier?
Funnier him. I'm so
No,
serious.
her.
Who's more jealous?
Jealous. Okay, one, honey. That's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's more of a nerd?
Nerd.
Yeah.
Him.
Like nerdy type.
Like
You
the
always
clothes,
read
like something like that. Him. Before when he was boyfriend girlfriend man.
Like you always read books like that.
Oh, him.
Ma.
What happened to you? Because
Who
it's
talks the most?
Talk.
Talk.
No, yes.
You already. Oh my god.
Who snores the
Look at me.
loudest?
Him.
Huh?
He snores.
Snore.
Snoring and snore.
Like while asleep.
No.
Who loves to travel?
Him.
You're done.
No
Huh?
more.
No more.
No more.
So fast.
Too fast. See this one also. We say, see you where you come. See you come.
See you.
Very
See you
fast.
come.
What happened to your face?
Come, come.
Okay.
Look at me.
Give me the lipstick, honey.
See you.
You
Come here.
You show there. You show there.
You sit down here at beside us.
Mm.
Come here, come everyone.
Now me and Zio's turn. Now me and
Okay,
Zio's
come here.
turn.
No, no remove again. No need to remove. Come,
It's okay, come
come
here.
here, come here.
Yeah, it's so nice. It's so nice also.
Sit, come.
See Chen, come, see Chen. See
Chen,
Chen, next to Papa. See
See
Chen.
Chen.
Come.
Next to Papa. Come.
Okay. So we're done. We're done to our challenge.
So
So guys, how honey? Are you happy?
So guys,
you enjoy? Wait
the end
now.
of our video.
No, wait.
Huh?
So you enjoyed the challenge?
Yes.
No,
Yes.
I don't want Mama and Papa because you only seeing Papa face. I don't want.
Rồi,
Well, Mama also face him,
cùng
right?
cùng ăn
No,
enjoy.
your
Kayo
one is
then
a
please
little
subscribe to
bit.
our
You're a
channel.
little bit. You only seeing Mama like.
Really?
enough. That's enough.
Now you have to show your face in the camera.
Camera. Okay.
See you. Show your face.
So
See you.
guys, okay. So guys,
Yeah,
that's
see
the end
you.
of our video. See you.
You look at the
Video.
camera.
Kung nag-enjoy kayo, then please subscribe to our channel and hit the
Ayo.
notification below
How come my face like that?
and leave a comment.
Please subscribe to our channel
Mm,
and hit the notification
Okay.
below.
Okay.
You can show your face then.
Teacher?
So thank you guys. Hope to see you again.
Tang,
Bye. Say bye.
Seriously, I want to